Hello everyone. Yes, in this topic, we are again with the English grammar, subject and predicate. This is actually not the main topic of the grammar, but something very important. Before we start the main topic, let's understand one important part of the sentence, the subject and the predicate. We use them in every complete sentence. Yes, we use them everywhere. But instead of simply memorizing the definition, let's understand how to identify them easily and how they helps us understand the structure of a sentence. Let's get started with subject and predicate. Ready? Yes. Every sentence has two parts. The part that names the person or thing we are speaking about is called subject of the sentence. The part that tells something about the subject is called predicate of the sentence. In order to find the subject of the sentence, put the question who or what after the verb. It's so simple, right? Yes. Person or thing that we are speaking about is called as subject. Now, the one that we talk about that person or about the thing, we call it as a predicate. And one more important clue, who or what after the verb is helps to find the subject. Clear? So the part that names the person or thing that we're speaking about is called subject of the sentence. The part that tells something about a person or a thing, we call it as a predicate. And next clue is, to find the subject of the sentence, we can put who or what after the verb. So with this, we can identify the subject and predicate. Now let's look at few examples. Johan climbed the hill. Now let's put a question. Who climbed the hill? In this sentence, let's see. Johan climbed the hill. Who climbed the hill? Johan climbed the hill. So now, Johan is the subject. And the remaining part of the sentence that talks about Johan is the predicate. The moon shines strongly or brightly. Let's take brightly here. The moon shines brightly. Put a question. What shines brightly? The answer is moon shines brightly. The answer moon is the subject. Shines brightly. How is the moon shining? Shines brightly. It is a predicate. Okay. So note, verb is part of a predicate. Verb is the part of a predicate. Alright. Now hope till then we are clear. Right? Now, one important note. The subject and the predicate may consist of a single word each or more than a single word. It can be a single word or more than a single word. We elected Ritu captain. The girls of the school elected Ritu as a captain. In the first sentence, we are talking about we. So, we is the subject. In the second sentence, the girls of the school. We are talking about the girls of the school. So the subject here is the girls of the school. So rest of the sentence is going to be the predicate. So it gives a very clear understanding for all of us. Right? So with this, our grammar is going to make a very easy build up. Let's try to practice more and more, and even I'll try to bring up more worksheets on this. So keep solving, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.